What is up, guys? Today I'll show you how to go from this to this. I installed this Pioneer Avh1550-Nex, got CarPlay, and it's just amazing. I love it a lot. First, remove this battery cover and then disconnect the negative cable and make sure you set it aside somewhere safe. Next, make sure you pull this up and disconnect the cable underneath it. I chose to keep my shift knob on because it was too much work to take it off. I just left it on, but you can take it off if you want to. And now remove these two screws on both sides so you can take out this piece on the side of the center console and gently pull it so you won't break the clips. And do the same on the other side. And now remove these two screws and slowly pull the trim apart. I use my hands, but you can use a pry tool. It's very easy to just pull it with your hands. Make sure you slowly take it apart because there are wires, you might break the clips and stuff, so make sure you slowly do it. Once you get it off, make sure you disconnect the airbag light cable and the push to start button cable. Airbag one was easy, but this one was really hard. You use a screwdriver and push that tab right there in and then pull the cable out. Once you do that, take out the 4 screws. Remove all the screws, pull the trim apart, and make sure you disconnect the cables. Use this diagram to match all your wires right, and make sure you use a harness because I would not recommend cutting your stock wires. This is the harness I used for mine. Mine didn't have a Bose system, so I just need a simple harness. So connect all the wires, test out the new radio, and make sure everything works right. Once you test it out, put everything back together. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment below. Thank you.